Okay, Uncle Ron stuff. Today's final episode is how to get firmware and software updates. Firmware for the weather station, software updates for this console. And what you do is you move down to the button, the tool button, and you click it again. Here, tool button, it changes on you. So I'm at the tool button. This will get you to the next screen where you can set alarms. Hit it again. There's another set of adjustments you can do. Finally, we get down to factory, and we use the down key. We use the down key to move down. Having trouble with this finger. Let me put it up against here. Maybe it'll be better. There. You're using the down key to move over to where it says About Display. And then I'm going to hit this key that says let me see it. And here you'll see all the data about the station if you can read it. It says model number, total storage, available storage, hardware revision number, firmware revision number, the frequency of it, there's the MAC address, firmware, A Weather Pro version, and up here it says automatically firmware update, and I have it checked. And you come down, let's see if I can move down right here, and then I'll say check firmware update, and I'm going to click on that, and it says already latest firmware version. I checked it to make sure. Notification's already on, so it's going to notify me whenever I get the latest update. And here's the host firmware. I'm going to come down to it, and I'll click on the arrow that says let me look at it down here. There's no new versions of firmware. You'll probably see that there are at this point. This is Wi-Fi firmware update, and this is host firmware update. Those are the two that you have to deal with, and you got to those by going at the toolbar. You push this guy to start with, up, and then the tool location's going to change. So you push it again. That'll let you set all alarms. You push it again. That have other calibrations you can do. And then finally you get to this screen about factory. You move down till you get the highlighted about. It says display. That's when you're going to click this one that says let me look at it. And you come back to this. Now you would use your up-down keys to come over, and I have mine set for automatic, but you want to highlight that checks Wi-Fi firmware box and let it do whatever it is, and just check this firmware box and let it update whatever it finds there. Obviously you have to be on the Wi-Fi already for this to work, and that's all there is to that. I can come back here. I can hit the toolbar, and I'm back to this, and I go return, and I'm back to my display, and that's how you do the firmware and software update for the WS2000 AW.